the Boyle brothers hooked us up.
Man's heard a lot of things about them. I heard it's the bloody bang, yeah?
This is the size of this. Look at that. Massive, massive. And yet, why is every time when I go to a seafood restaurant, I don't get a taste like this?
Yeah, because they're trying to save money, innit?
Honestly, this is massive this year.
Guess like that.
These guys are very good. The season is excellent. It's not too hot. It's just so nice. I just can't stop eating it. You guys on the seafood boil, you contact the Boyle brothers. These are so good, so nice. The first time eating the seafood boil, I've been to many restaurants eating lobster. This is number one. I tell you. Try.
It's been cooked.
But you never went to the lobster. I went.
The restaurant came to you.
Yeah, the restaurant came to you, man. Never been. I never been. So nice.
Tastes so good.
Yeah,
Make you wanna.
really nice.
Compliments to the Boyle brothers.